Hello, this is not a scheduled video because I have already almost recorded all the course, but something just happened yesterday and I think it just fits best with our retail mentality versus smart money mentality concept. I actually shared some BTC analysis back when BTC was being traded at almost 50,000. As you can see right now, BTC price is 38,000. So uh, at that time when I shared this analysis, as you can see, it was almost $48,300, and I said that I am expecting BTC to at least sweep 28,000, at least come here, but the best will be it should come down to this 20,000 or around 20,000 level. And at that time BTC was being traded at 48,000. Just remember, this was the time when everybody was expecting that BTC is going to 200,000 or $300,000. So everyone was bullish. Trend lines were holding quite nicely. BTC was not creating any lower low. All highs were higher than the previous highs and lows were higher than the previous lows. So it was in a great shape. But based on my Elliot Wave analysis, I knew that it's not going to recover quickly. 69,000 was the top by that time. So this was my analysis. I quit all my trades. I was out of the market. I was just trying to short the market. The short scalps I was trying to take. So no big trades, no long-term trades, because market was going down really hard. And according to my analysis, it should continue going down. Something happened today actually, and it's quite funny. I thought I should share that with you as well. So yesterday I took some tweets from Twitter, and by the way, there is the intention is not to show, but I was following all these big names, these influencers on Twitter as well as on the YouTube, and I do follow them now, but I just see that how they are still trying to do the same mistakes that I used to do when I started trading. So as you can see, these are approved accounts having thousands of followers, but as you can see clearly, they are trading based on resistances and support. And like I told you in the previous class, that they just blindly follow it. So for a retail trader, when a support gets broken, they try to short it. When a resistance gets broken, they try to long it. So yesterday what happened was that BTC created a move actually, and everybody was really excited. So as you can see, if I think based on the support and resistances, this clearly is the line that is a resistance, and it's been there for a long time. BTC is reacting off this resistance quite nicely. So yesterday evening, BTC actually took a huge jump and broke this resistance. So let me show you that point, and I will show you the tweets also at that time, that how excited retail was when BTC broke this resistance. So we saw this huge move towards the upside, and as you can see, we clearly broke the resistance. And then I checked Twitter, and everyone was over the moon. And you can see this moved right now. And these are the people who are being followed by thousands of people. And every tweet I saw was a tweet that showed that the correction is over and BTC is now going to the moon. I was watching this. I knew exactly that what is going to happen, how they are trapping the retail traders, and how they will actually hit their stop losses and they will take them out. So all these tweets that you see are the tweets that show you that the retail is over the moon. And then after that, what happened as it was expected, because I was looking at the overall bigger picture of BTC, and that was this. So I knew that BTC right now is just creating the C, and this is just a temporary move towards the upside. So this was very clear that this was 1, 2, this was 3, this is A, B, and we are creating C, and there is 5 that will be done after that. So they very clearly broke the resistance. As you can see here, this was the resistance that all the retail traders were having an eye. And after that, let's just refresh the chart, and after that immediately this happened. Can you now clearly say that this was a trap? right? This was clearly a trap. They trapped thousands and millions of retail traders, and then they just dumped the market off the cliff, and nobody was definitely able to get out. Either their stop loss was hit, or they are still in the market with some huge losses. And this, I can clearly see that this is again a preparation to a big move towards the downside. I can clearly see that, because this is just another trap. So they are clearly creating another trap to drop the market further towards the downside. So if you do not have an idea about the market structure, or if you don't know about the Elliot Wave, or you don't know about the smart money concept, you will also get trapped. So those same people who were very excited when they saw this pump, I actually gathered some tweets also after this dump happened, and those were all very funny tweets. So the same people, they now are, I take that back. So everything, I don't want to actually say these words, but you can clearly see that the same people who were actually very excited, thinking that BTC is going to the moon, the very next minute when BTC actually reversed, they had no clue what happened. That kept me away from the market to long it. Rather, I entered some short position when everybody was longing it, just because I knew the overall market direction and I knew that what is going to happen next. So I hope this makes you excited to invest your time into this training course. And I promise you that after going through this course, your mind will be very clear. You will never panic buy or panic sell, because you will know the market structure.